All right, language explorers, let's look at this Saturday's phrasal verbs. So fill up. Fill up, to put things into a space so it is no longer empty. So I fill up the glass with water. We need to fill this bucket up with cold water. How can they fill up this hole with cement? How? I will fill up this hole. This cup needs to be filled up with tea. Can you fill up the car? Needs petrol. Yeah, let's get petrol maybe. Here we are. Petrol. There. Oh, let's change that. Yeah. Try that again. Yes. It needs to be filled up. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. So they'll fill up the list with things to do. Yeah. 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 How can I fill up my day? I have nothing to do. Yeah. We should fill it up with exciting things. Yes. How cool is that? I thought you wanted to fill up with petrol. Don't you want to fill up with petrol? Yeah, well, I like to fill up with tea. Yeah, tea. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, tea. She fills up the garage with things. He often fills up his room with toys. They might fill up the place with junk. Junk. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. She's filling up the car with fuel. We will soon need to fill up the car. We've been driving a lot. We need to fill up the car. Yeah, quite important. Yeah. Unless we fill it up now, we might not get another chance later. Yeah, you never know. You never know. We don't know. We don't know when we might get another chance to fill it up. Yeah, we don't know when we might get another chance to fill it up. Yeah, maybe next week, tomorrow. I don't know. When I get there, I'll need to fill the bag up with more food. Yes. We often fill up the boxes with things for the storage. We will fill up our time with recording, reading, writing, and studying. Yes, very important. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So I fill up my day with Spanish lessons, recording, reading, and the gym. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. So, can you use fill up in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram when you look for English with Adrian, as well as on Udemy when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.